channel guys ay tuturo po sa inyo ang bagong pagkakakitaan ng app joygo77.com. Tinuturo sa inyo guys kung paano mag-register. Ilagay nyo na po yung enter yung phone number po, then enter your password, then click the I agree with share diagram, then click po ang register. Then guys, pag naklik nyo na po yung register guys, okay na po yan, then ilagin nyo na po, then ito po yung lalabas guys, then may binigay po ang apps ng 5 balance. Okay guys, then tuturo sa inyo ang ating app, JoyGo. Then ito po guys, ang pwedeng laruin sa ating apps, ang treasure hunt, guess ODD or even, or guess numbers. Then ito guys, yung balance 20 exclusive to the new servers. Then balance 50 exclusive to new users. Ito naman po ang ODD even. Meron times 2 returns 10 pesos. Guess ODD or even. ODD even 100 balance, 2 times returns 100. Then the numbers natin is times 50 returns to 50 pesos. And guess numbers. And the numbers naman natin guys is times 50 returns to 5 pesos. Yung time po is 1,000 balance. Treasure hunt 1TT 15 balance. So ayun guys, nandito tayo sa account. Click lang po natin yung balance. Total amount withdrawal 5 2022.3.410, income 5, expenditure 0. Balance give plus 5. Balance give plus 5 yung income. Expenditure natin guys. Then guys, click natin yung points. Then guys, paliwanag ko sa inyo guys kung paano tayo mag-top up. And guys, kailangan i-bind ang ating GCash. Click lang po ating GCash dito guys. Ilalagay natin yung provider. Then account number guys. Then verification. Then guys, click natin ang ating promotion. Ito yung guys, pag meron kayong team, dito lalabas yung commission details. Then ito guys, yung promotion order, may receive po dito, return, cancel. Then dito lalabas yung quantity, level, may level 1, may level 2, then yung amount, tapos level 1 or level 2 ulit. And guys, i-click natin ang ating service. Nakalagay guys, may nakalagay dito is how to use points. We will be adding points redemption products into your UPD. H. You can redeem them in the points station for your updates. And how to top up po? Ayan guys, meron tayong number 1. Select the quantity required, then click the confirmation top up. Then step 2 po is copy or remember the withdrawal account. Then open your GCash app. I-open nyo na po yung GCash nun. Then step 3 is click the send money po in the cash app. Please make sure the account you use is the same as the one you bind. Kung ano po yung binind nyo nung una, ayun po yung i-click nyo po doon. Then express send po. Step 5 is enter our account and the amount, then click the next. Click nyo po yung next. Number 6 is verify that the send account is correct and click confirm. Tapos pag okay na po yun, then return to JoyGo, then click the back button. And guys, ipapalawanan ko po yung ating system. And guys, ipapalawanan ko yung cash withdrawal. Kailangan nyo rin pong i-bind yung GCash nyo po dito. Then guys, ito na po yung ating apps kung paano siya i-download. Click lang po yung download. Click po yung download anyway. Tapos ito po yung lalabas guys. Wait lang po natin i-download siya. So yun guys, no? Tapos na po yung ating download guys. Click na po natin. Ganyan guys, no? Click natin yung install guys. Wait lang po natin guys. Open po natin. Allow po natin guys. Yan po, meron tayong buying goods is simple. Meron tayong cash withdrawal, quick arrival. Making money, CC. Ready po. So yun guys, ito na po. Nakalagin na po tayo guys. Dahil po mga event po na pwedeng gawin natin dito guys. Then guys, ito lang po yung guys. Thank you for watching po. Don't forget guys, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa aking ipopost na video. Maraming